In this video, I'm going to show you how to access Claude Fable 5 step by step in the simplest way possible. If you've been wondering where to find it, how to switch models, and why you may not be seeing it right away, this guide will clear it up fast. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Claude.ai. Once the page loads, sign into your Claude account if you're not already logged in. After you reach the main interface, look near the top of the screen for the Model Chooser drop-down. This is the menu that lets you switch between available Claude models. Click on that drop-down to open the list of models. Now, from the options that appear, select Fable 5. Once you choose it, Claude should switch over to that model and you can start using it right away. Keep in mind that if you do not see Fable 5 in the list, it usually means your account does not currently have access to it. In this case, you need to have a paid subscription in order to use that model. So if you're on the free plan, you may need to upgrade before it becomes available. That's really all there is to it. Go to Claude.ai, open the model chooser, select Fable 5, and make sure your subscription plan supports it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.